Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And let me get the table topic. The table topic is, who do you sometimes compare yourself to? Who do you sometimes compare yourself to? To answer this question, who do I, uh, who do you compare yourself to? Whom I compare myself with? To talk about when we talk about this topic, we often reflect upon where and how we are comparing ourselves, yourself with other person. So to answer this question, I don't have any specific name, uh, but I do compare myself sometimes with the people who have similar background, as my people who have been in similar roles, similar experience, how they are doing. In, but I just try to gauge the idea. What I'm trying to say, I just try to what is the norm or what how other people are doing. It it's not that I'm constantly trying myself to compare with other person. I know that's pretty bad. I but what I try to do is sometimes it's hard to be very honest. Sometimes you do compare yourself with other person, even though you know that you should not compare yourself with other persons, because but I keep trying to like remind myself that everybody's journey is different. If somebody is behind in their career, there must be a reason for it. If somebody is ahead in their career, there must be a reason behind it. People don't attribute most of things to the luck. So I do keep reminding myself that everybody's journey is different, and then what I do is I try myself with the version that I existed around like few years ago, and I just check how far I have come. So in my opinion, that is the best way. If you keep constantly compare yourself with your with you on a timeline, you just realize how far you are moving ahead. At the same time, you just have a little bit idea about your surrounding in your vicinity. Maybe you are doing things in the right way. So what you should take away from this is that try look around. Just do not compare yourself with other person. Compare yourself with yourself. So if this is the way that you would do, is you will always be always will become a better person of yourself, and at the same time you will take inspiration from your surrounding and move ahead in that. Thank you. Over to you.